In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header image, how to change the footer text, and how to change the logo. So this is the background header image, this is the logo, and this is the footer text. So let us see how to change the header image. So go to appearance, go to menus, go to header actually, and from here go to header options. So you see you'll have to add new image here. So upload new files, select, just select a file. So select and crop image. So you see we have got the new header image, and now just click on publish, and from here you can see how it views in tablet and here on your cell phone. So from here we'll see how to change the logo. So what you do is go to site identity, click on select logo, upload a new logo, whatever logo you like. I am using the same logo that I had created in Canva. I have discussed about that more in graphic designing course. You can watch that, how to create a very quick logo, quick and effective logo. So we're gonna select this. So we're gonna crop this a bit. This is just for reference. So we're gonna crop this image. So it is being updated. So you see this is our new logo. See this on the tablet, on the cell phone. So this is the new logo. Now just click publish. Now we'll discuss how to change the footer text. Go to widgets, go on footer widget and click add a widget, and here select a text widget, and here just write whatever you want. We'll write all rights reserved @healing buddy. Now this is visual, go on text. This is the HTML code actually. So just write center. We have to put it in center alignment. Right now it is placed on this side. So put it center and put this as center also towards the end. This is the HTML code actually. Now just see it is right at the center, but this is towards this side. This is the footer widget 1, this is the footer widget 2 is here, footer widget 3 is right here. So we'll cut this and we'll add the footer widget in the center part, that is footer widget 2. So cut this, Control plus X, go back, add a footer widget in the footer widget 2, and go on text because we had copied from text, paste it here, and now just see, go up, go down for it to be refreshed. It is right at center. So press publish. So you see now just reload this page in a new tab and see if it has been updated and has taken effect or not. So you see the new logo is here, the background image is also here, and the footer text is also changed. So likewise you can experiment, and in the next video we're going to discuss how to change the title of the site as well as the tagline of the site. So believe me, WordPress is a very simple platform. All that is needed is simple experiment.